Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to quickly convert units using keyboard on POCO C75. You can quickly convert units like centimeters to inches and gallons to liters by using your keyboard. In order to do it, first open an app you can type in, for example, messages. Then I'm gonna start a chat, and you can see that when I enter in my text message field a value with a unit, for example 12 centimeters, and press and hold on it, then tap on the Google logo, it will convert to meters, and I can also click on 2 inches to quickly convert to inches, to feet, to meter, or I can click here and choose any available unit. Then when I go back, I'm gonna show you that it also works for example 12 cups. And it has converted to tablespoons, but I can also convert it to liters. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.